leaving lunch. How was lunch, Brett?
Good.
How's lunch, Troy?
It was really good. There's a lot of flies there though.
Yeah, we're eating outdoors right by the water, so probably there was a lot more bugs than a couple of the other places we've been to. But now we're headed to the beach. This is the spot where we parked the car, right by the ocean. Now we gotta walk a little bit to get to the beach. So we got to the beach, except it's not as nice as we were expecting, and Brett's not a happy camper right now.
I can't believe you did this, Max.
How was I supposed to know the water condition was gonna be like this?
You know online pictures aren't as they show you. They lie.
So we're continuing on. It's really, really hot in the sun, but we're gonna try and walk further down, and maybe there's a nicer spot to have a little beach day. So we've been walking around for about a half hour now, and it's hot, hot, hot. The first beach, super, super seaweedy, so we kept walking to see if there was another one, but there's just like a rocky, rocky desert coastline. So now we're calling it quits, turning around. Hopefully we can hop back in the car and get to another beach for snorkeling. Now we're leaving this beach too. It was a little too rocky, and like right when we get in there, you can see it's not the nicest. And now we're gonna keep going. Brett is not a happy camper today. This is, it's called Black Beach or something. We're back on the northern side of the island, Isabela, Puerto Rico. And basically we drove from the southern side because we couldn't find a whole lot of beaches there, and it's a little bit further away from the hotel. So we drove to this nice, really nice beach with the sunset, and we're gonna chill out here. I believe there's a restaurant right there, and we're gonna try and go in the water, maybe do a little bit of snorkeling depending on how rocky the conditions are. But pretty exciting day. Got to see a big chunk of the island. Basically drove around the entire thing, which is very exciting. And so now we're gonna try and do some snorkeling. Sunset snorkeling is the best time to go snorkeling. This area is like a nice coral reef, a lot nicer than yesterday, a lot less crowded, and it's just, you can't beat that view. It's just paradise, people. Gang, and now we have got to go get dinner. Yes sir. Yes sir. You know the vibes. We're 2 hours away from the hotel. I don't know what time we're gonna get back, and I'm gonna make this vlog, but it will happen before I sleep. And oh, the mic, I'm just thinking about this the mic might be filled with water. Grabbing dinner, and then we're gonna drive back and publish this vlog. See you guys tomorrow.